Hello from Slovenia again. I have a bunch of leftover paints here and I will play with these straws with attachments. You can find them on Paint Pour store, and I know that another guy sell those, so there is plenty of those stuff all around the internet. So I will basically go for kind of a sunset under the sea. I don't know. I want to do some kind of sea here. Maybe more sea and less of the sky. I will pour all this on my pearl white mixture because I want some nice effects that I can get with pearl white. You know, pearl white is this mixture with Vallejo. It can be used for cloud pours, for all kind of pours, straight pours, blowouts. It's not just something that I use for my flower dips, because you can get some really nice effects with it. Of course, if you like that lacing, lacing effects or something like that. So, okay. I will add just a little more, like here and here. And here I will pour my sun for the sunset. So I need some more color to play with. Okay, so I have some phthalo blue by Winsor and Newton. And I will just add this kind of like that. And I have some turquoise green by Amsterdam. And some indigo, or some darker parts. And phthalo turquoise by Amsterdam Expert Series. This one is from Expert Series. Okay. And here I will add some. This is Azo Yellow Deep by Amsterdam. This one is a little thick. And some Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. And some Reflex Orange by Amsterdam. And I have some Permanent Magenta by Winsor and Newton. This one is thick too, but it should be okay. Paints are all mixed with my pouring medium. Some carmine red maybe. Some violet around. Oops. Okay, and I will just go with this magenta right here, and the red, I know that it looks weird right now, but trust me, will try to create something nice. So that phthalo blue here too, for the sky or something. Some indigo. Okay, so let's see. I think that I will add a little black here on the sky. Okay, so let's start blowing this out. Okay, so here she is. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not quite sure about this corner. Maybe it should be a little darker, so maybe I will add just a little bit of indigo and blow it over. And maybe I'm not 100% sure if I want to keep that or I want to blow this out a little bit. But otherwise, I'm happy. And it's not, you know, it's an easy way to create a beautiful abstract painting. Maybe this is a little too white too, but let's just leave it, not to. Sometimes you can ruin it with too much adjustments, so I will just probably leave it. Unfortunately, I will not be able to show you the dried results because I just painted this today on Monday when you watch it, but I will definitely show it to you on the other video on Wednesday, because I will definitely try to go on a bigger scale with that. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!